Hey guys, so a very good morning. I had not posted or made a video on the various JRF positions and job applications in a while. So a lot of them have piled up. So today I thought I will, one by one describe or mention all the opportunities that are there as JRF positions or job opportunities for freshers. Okay. So the first one that we have over here is from Indian Institute of Technology, Indore. And by the way, whatever jobs or advertisements I'm discussing over here, I will provide you the link down in the description box. So in case you want to read in detail and apply, you can find the link down in the description. Now, the first is basically related to your nanomaterial synthesis. Okay, this is an IIT Indore. It's a JRF position. And for this, you need a valid NET or GATE score, and the age limit is 28 years. Okay. Secondly, if you see, they also have mentioned that you should have some experience in nanomaterial synthesis. Now, whenever you're applying for JRF positions, it is very unlikely that just by mere fulfilling of eligibility criteria, you will be recruited for the JRF position. It is always desirable that you also have experience in whatever research work they are carrying out. For example, over here they have asked experience in nanomaterial synthesis, right? So if you have experience in this, then only you should apply, because it would be incorrect on my part to tell you that you would be shortlisted just by mere fulfilling of eligibility criteria. The chances are very, very less. So even if you like, what I want to say is that you should be able to also fill the desirable criteria. Only then you should apply for these positions. Okay, it is, like I said, it is very, very unlikely. There might be a few opportunities, or there might be a few cases wherein just by without any research experience also someone is recruited for the JRF position, but those kind of cases are very rare. Now what you need to do to apply is basically you need to send your CV along with all the academic certificates to Dr. Sheikh M. Mobeen, and his email ID is given to you, xray@iiti.ac.in, and the last date of application is 31st March 2021 by 5 p.m. Okay, so this was our first position. Now let's move to the second one. The second one is actually a job opportunity for in Regional Institute of Education, Mysuru. Okay, and if you go ahead and see over here, this is a walk-in interview. So if you have a master's degree in concerned subject with a NET, KSET, MPhil or PhD qualification, you can apply, or you can go for the walk-in interview. It is on 30th March 2021 at 10 a.m. Okay, so this was one job opportunity. Another job opportunity has come from the government of Odisha, and as you can see, it's for a post of lecturer, and these are the vacancies. You can see vacancy in anthropology, botany, chemistry. You can see, I will again give you the link in the description box. Okay, so for chemistry candidates there are 60 vacancies, and for unreserved there are 18 and 9. Okay, 9 for women and 18 in general. And what is the procedure like, and what is the eligibility criteria? So basically you should be having NET qualification and an MSc degree. Okay, and then the marks will be based on these criteria. See, you can see, as you can see over here, written exam will be there, objective type of 150 marks, and then there's a Viva examination of 25 marks, and 25 marks is for your 25 marks is given if you have a PhD. If you don't have a PhD, then you will be given 10 marks if you have a MPhil degree or a NET degree. Okay, then, or a NET certificate. So 10 marks for that. If you have a PhD, you will be given 25 marks. Okay, and what else? So so for this, the eligibility criteria is that any Indian citizen can apply. Okay, so even if you're not from Odisha, you can apply, but the only problem is that you should be well aware of the Odia language. Okay, if you don't have the ability to be able to read and write the local language, the regional language, then you would be facing issues. Okay, otherwise if you have some fluency with the language, you can definitely apply for this position also. There are a lot of vacancies, and the criteria is quite fair. I mean, the interview is given only 25 marks. So if you do well in the written exam, and if you have a PhD degree, I mean, you have a very good chance of getting shortlisted for the post. And it's a really good post. You can read about it. Basically a lecturer, and the pay band is from 44,900 to 1,42,400. Okay, so the next one that we have is from CSIR, Central Salt and Marine Chemical Research Institute. Okay, and we have a JRF position. So for this you require MSc in chemistry with a valid CSIR UGC NET LS. That means lectureship also, if you have qualified, you can apply, or the GATE qualification. The emoluments or the basically stipend is 31,000 per month, and the age limit is 28 years. If you want to apply for this position, the last date to apply is 8th April 2021. Okay, and you have to send all the described, you can see the criteria over here, what all you need to send. So you need to send the supporting documents along with the application form to this particular email ID that is given over here. Okay, and I think the virtual interview will be conducted on 12th April 2021, like they have mentioned, via Skype MS Team, right? So it will be a virtual interview. You don't have to physically be present at the venue. And one more JRF position that we have is at ICER Kolkata, as you can see over here, and it is basically related to your spectroscopy, the project. And for this also, they have said as a desirable experience. Okay, so eligibility criteria is like, you can, even if you have a general MSc in chemistry, you can apply. If you have a NetGate or any other fellowship, that would be a plus point. But even if you don't have that NetGate qualification, you can still apply. And over here also they have mentioned that the eligible candidates may apply with their CV and a cover letter and send this to this particular email ID. So you have to send your CV and a cover letter. Cover letter is basically wherein you describe that why you want to join this position, okay, or how you will benefit from this position, or why you are an appropriate candidate for that particular position. And the last date for receiving the applications is 30th March 2021. Okay, so this was in ICER Kolkata. And then we have another position that is at NICER Bhubaneswar, and this work is related to your CH activation, as you can see, and it's a 3-month project. So more or less you can think of it as an internship, okay, because it's a 3-month project. They have strictly mentioned over here that it is for three months. You can see over here that the above position is purely temporary for a period of 3 months. So you can think about it as an internship with a stipend of 31,000 per month. Okay, and it's a short project. And for this, the qualification or the eligibility criteria is that you should have masters in chemistry with a valid NET LS, that is lectureship, or a GATE certificate. Okay, and then accordingly you will be sent the so basically this is the application form. You have to send the application form along with the certificates and the Skype ID to this particular email. Then we have another a job opportunity, and this job opportunity is for candidates with MSc in chemistry or organic chemistry. Okay, so any chemistry or even general chemistry, if you have, you can apply for this. Again, you can see it is for freshers as well who have excellent knowledge in basic organic chemistry. These are the these are the requirements for the job, and this is as a trainee research associate at Jubilant. And as you can see over here, you have to share your resume to this particular email ID. Next one that we have is again a JRF position, and this JRF position is at DRDO, that is again in New Delhi. It's a walk-in interview, and the interview would be conducted on 22nd of April 2021. Again, the stipend is 31,000 plus house rent allowance. So in Delhi it is approximately around 24%, right? So for this you require for one position you require your MSc in organic chemistry with a NET or GATE score. And for another physical chemistry position also you require specialization in physical chemistry with a NET or GATE score. Okay, and for this to apply, you have to basically type the written application duly signed with the attested copy of mark sheets and certificates. Okay, and basically you have to send it by post to this particular address, that is Director CFES, Brigadier SK Mazumdar Marg, Delhi. Okay, and you can read about this this is the application form. As you can see, it comes attached with the PDF. So again, I will give you the link to this down in the description box. So these were some of the positions that have been recently advertised, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do let me know down in the comment section, and if you like my videos, do give it a big thumbs up so that this video can reach others as well. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do that, so that if any notification comes up, you would get to know about it as soon as I upload the video. So take care, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm teaching live on the Unacademy platform in the CSAT UGC NET category, where I'm taking both the free classes as well as the paid courses. So if you want to get access to the free classes, all you have to do is download the Unacademy app And when joining the CSIR UGC NET category, you have to use the unlock code, that is SETHI. This is absolutely free of cost and you will get access to all my classes. While if you want to take the paid subscription or the plus subscription, there is a subscription fee for that, and if you want some discount on the subscription fee, you can use the referral code SETHI. This will give you 10% discount. On top of that, you will also get access to my WhatsApp group, where I frequently post a lot of updates related to exams and other things. In addition, with the plus subscription, what all benefits you are going to get? Well, you can watch all my sessions. Apart from that, you can watch other sessions that are available from other educators in the CSIR UGC NET category. You will also get a frequent mock test for the examination for your practice and some doubt solving sessions as well. So if you're interested in joining the plus platform, you can definitely check out the free classes first and then take a decision to take the plus classes. Do not forget to use these referral codes. This will give you a discount for the plus subscription, and this code you have to use when you're joining the app to get access to all my free classes.